Hey guys, it's Natalie here from nataliejcoutureevents, and I want to share something with you guys today. I already shared this with you, but I want to keep sharing it and sharing it and sharing it until it just become something of second nature. It become like something you do all the time. Like you wake up in the morning and you brush your teeth. So I want it to be like that. Guys, whenever you have an event, or you're doing an event, or you hiring a vendor, or you contracting somebody, make sure you get a contract, okay? An invoice is not a contract. So if you send them your PayPal link to make a payment or a deposit, that's not a contract. Your contract should state in there exactly what you're going to be providing and what's going to be your service fee, okay? It should have a date on there. It should have the person name you're doing the contract with. Sometimes when the people hire you, like let's say like the planner, right? If they hire you planner, all right, so most time when somebody hire you as a planner, it is a 98% chance they did not secure their venue as yet. So you would not be able to put the venue on the actual contract. But the most important thing you want to put on the contract is the date of the event, the service. What is going to be my service fee? What are you going to be getting for X amount of dollars, or whatever the service you guys have? Even if you guys are actually doing a bathroom service, let's say you're probably switching services, DJ for something, photography or something, like maybe you're a photographer, you're getting married, and the DJ, hey, I'm going to come and DJ at your event, and I want you to do a photo session for my family. Get a contract. Guys, it is so important to get a contract. Contract. I cannot. So that is what been on my mind, because I've seen this all the time. Make sure you read your contract before you sign it. A lot of people want to just call the vendors and say, hey, I don't want your service anymore. I want my money back. And they don't read their contract, because sometimes your contract is a non-refundable deposit. Some people, now there's a thing going on, a retainer fee and a deposit. Hey, if your contract say it's non-refundable, guess what? It's non-refundable. Some contracts too, if you cancel by a certain date before the event, you have to pay the contract in full. So please read your contract. Make sure you know what you're signing. Ask questions. Trust me. I prefer you ask me a gazillion questions than you assume something, and then we end up having this big old issue over something that could have been cleared up way before. But anyway, don't forget, book early, nataliejcoutureevents.com.